Guys, I exactly know like you weren't expecting a video on Andrew Tate.
Especially with men, none of them are bestowed with the things that the masculine essence needs to be a good man. You need pride, you need honor. Matrix Media, they say, why did you get so big? Because I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth, which every man knows is intrinsically true in his heart, because God has instilled him with a basic degree of morality of right and wrong. I'm saying things to a 17-year-old boy and he's going, he makes sense. I get it.
Especially on my channel, but as you know, like he has been in prison for a while and like for the last 6 months, and he recently came out of the prison. So he did a recent interview, one journalist from BBC, and you exactly know how that actually went, right? BBC literally took that interview off of their website on YouTube channel, but there are a few other YouTubers like who have that, like some clip which they're like posting on YouTube. So I saw that and like it was like completely hit off for Andrew Tate, right? So like obviously if you have seen that specific interview, like the journalist was actually accusing of Andrew Tate of a lot of negative things, but you have to check that interview out, like how he was handling every single accusation, and literally he have like a solid response to all the allegations and accusations he was getting into, right? So like I definitely would it's like tempting to learn those kind of things from him, like how he actually handles all the allegations and accusations in a very calm manner, literally like that's a very great attribute of his. And just because of like the confidence he had in himself, like he is able to like achieve so much in his life. I don't have to say a lot about him because it's just him, you have seen him talking and you know him, like how kind of a person he is and what kind of confidence he actually have in himself. All right, so as you already know, like he also runs like an online program, I think with the name Hustlers University, but like once he came out, now he's saying the program name is Real World or something like that, right? So actually he charges around $49 for that, and he teaches not Andrew Tate himself, but he has like a lot of coaches inside the program, and they actually covers on like a lot of separate topics such as copywriting, freelancing, e-commerce, drop shipping, stocks, crypto, business mastery, and fitness. A lot of different topics, and he has hired a lot of different coaches who cover down all these topics. And guess what? People are actually getting a lot of results out of his program, right? Guys, you don't have to think like I'm promoting his program. I'm just relating Andrew Tate to this specific video just because how much of a confident person he is, just because of all the positive attributes he has in his life. I'm not using his course, or neither I'm going to promote his course. All I'm doing is just relating to his positive attributes, because it's worth mentioning how of a person he is in his real life, right? So like about his program, like he charges around $49. So a lot of people have like enrolled themselves into his program, and as far as I remember, I've heard it somewhere like maybe it was around 50,000 students or maybe 100,000 students, right? And he is charging $49, so he is taking home somewhere around $2 to $4 million every single month as recurring income, right? It's completely passive income. Andrew Tate is not actually teaching these students in his course. It's like he has hired a lot of coaches who are just doing it, so it's like more of a passive kind of source for him. And actually this is a very smart and great idea. By the end of the day, he is making money, and that was his goal of actually starting this particular program. And whereas alternatively, students are also actually getting benefited by actually enrolling themselves into his course, right? So it's like a win-win situation for Andrew Tate obviously, and for the students also, because they are also making money out of his program. So it's a win-win situation. And anyways, like I mentioned, like you can learn a lot of things into his program. But to be honest, if you really want to learn something as a skill in your life, literally you can just go on YouTube right now, search the skill up on the search bar, like copywriting, freelancing, e-commerce, dropshipping. You will get hundreds but not thousands of videos which you can watch completely for free. Start taking notes and get back to work. All you have to do is just take action. So it's like you don't have to purchase a course or something for $49 and get like something like that. Like you can just go on YouTube, and if you really are willing to learn something like that, you can just learn it from YouTube for free. But obviously if you need like more kind of specific guidance, you need some kind of environment you want to pay, then definitely like a kind of a mentorship, mastermind, or like a course definitely might help you guys. And like guys, like I also have been working on a new course which I'll be launching for the students whosoever is starting the agency or wants to scale, and literally I've been recording videos for that specific course. It's going to be a game changer because I'm going to literally cover down all the specifics of starting your agency out, signing the first client, and how to scale and how to deliver. It's going to be a game changer, guys. I'm working on it. It's going to be launched very soon. Until then, if you wanna get mentored by me, you are going to see a link in the description. It's kind of a coaching program, 10K SMMA inner circle, and we have like bi-weekly check-in calls in there, and you can specifically connect with me and we can definitely go over like your problems, like all your roadblocks, and we can try to resolve it. And to be honest, guys, as you know, like this SMMA business, marketing agency business, it's completely different from like other kind of business models, right? You would need a lot of knowledge about a lot of different skills: sales, marketing, handling objection, creativity, brainstorming, being persistent, right? So you need these type of skills in your life to actually succeed while running a marketing agency. And I know everyone says this, but this agency business, it's different from other businesses out there. The success ratio of this marketing agency business is a little low in comparison to other businesses, but if you get succeed while running a marketing agency, here the profit ratio is it's pretty high, pretty insane. You can make a lot of money just by running your agency. So you have to actually consume a lot of valuable content. You cannot just go out there and just consume any kind of marketing agency content. You need something valuable. You need to learn from the people who are actually doing it, not from the people who have just started out. They have started getting clients and they started posting recently. You have to learn from people who have been doing it for a while. They have a proof case and they're still doing it to this very day. So you have to learn from those people, because by the end of the day, you're learning from someone who are actually doing it till this specific day. So they're just not there to brag about particular business, right? They're actually doing it themselves. And guys, like if you have been following me for a while, you can check out my YouTube videos, and you like a lot of students, just by consuming my free content, they have closed so many clients and appointments. I cannot even tell. Like a lot of people reach out to me, a lot of students of mine, like Bhavesh, I just closed a client just by watching a YouTube video. Guys, by the end of the day, it's even if you don't enroll yourself in a program, coaching program, course, you have to take action on any kind of free value you're getting out of YouTube, especially out of my channel. If you even take action on that, even if you execute on that, it's pretty much like assurance for you guys. Like whatever I'm putting it out there, if you take action on that, signing clients won't be a problem for you. I can bet on that. And anyways, guys, like the only reason for me to like talk about Andrew Tate in this video is because how closely marketing agency business is related to personality of Andrew Tate, right? Because Andrew Tate is like how much concise and precise he is with his word, how much confidence he has in his life, and he knows what to speak at what time. He knows sales, he knows marketing, and that's why like he has reached out to so many people, like almost world. Everyone in the world knows him. How? Because he know how to market him, right? So you gotta have some traits in yourself like Andrew Tate while running a marketing agency, and it can definitely impact you guys in a positive note. Also, you should have a strong mindset and you should have confidence, because it will definitely enable you to take hard decisions during hard time. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you got some value out of this video, and all the best. Keep taking action, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Bye.